Folks, if you cherish the sight of a dandy game of hockey, then you've steered yourself in the right direction. Jim and I are so excited about this one, we can't even speak.
Yes, we can.
Okay, we can, but we're still quite excited.
That's offside. Dowd, shoved. Fisher gets hold of the puck. McCarty, Fernandez makes the save. Hark. Laxinen now has the puck. Krupp takes over. Fisher. Minnesota puts its scoring line out. Laxinen. He gets pushed. Holmstrom takes possession of the puck. Dandino fires from the right. Detroit picked it up. Robitaille gets it. Detroit has it now. Duchesne. Fernandez stones him cold. Fernandez made the brilliant save. Fernandez freezes the puck. Ronning. Dupuis took it. Lidstrom shoulders him. Shanahan shoots. Dupuis. Shanahan scoops up the loose puck. Chelios has it now. Lidstrom grabs it. Shanahan takes control. Fires! Saved by Fernandez.
A strong breeze could have stopped that shot.
There's going to be a penalty. Shanahan will go to the box for cross-checking.
Some penalties are good, some penalties are bad. I don't know which that one was.
Minnesota has got to hope this edge in numbers will pay off.
They'll accept most major credit cards or a goal, whatever's easier.
Dupuis goes wide. He takes control of the puck. Shanahan has served his penalty, and that puts his team back on even footing. Robitaille takes control of the puck. Shanahan. Detroit gobbles it up. Slager. He gets shoved. Shanahan. Chelios grabs the puck. Lidstrom. Icing is called against Detroit. The face-off goes to the Wild. Blocked. Brunette jumps on the loose puck. Shoots! Minnesota corrals it. The game waits as the broken glass is replaced. That'll make you think twice about buying front row tickets.
Those fans will be picking glass out of their hair for a week.
Dowd. Rogers pushes him. Dowd shoots the puck.
He missed the net by what, 40, 50 feet?
Chelios. Draper gets the puck. Larionov takes it. Lidstrom gets the shot off. Saved by Fernandez. Laxinen knocked him off the puck.
Up until now, he was wondering what on earth his horoscope meant when it said, "You'll fall for someone today."
Draper. Minnesota has it. Gaborik. Brunette now has it. Gaborik grabbed it. Shoots it. He scores! Top shelf.
He fired that rocket right into the pocket.
Detroit can't let itself suffer any more late period lapses. That's a recipe for disaster.
Just add a puck and stir. Makes 4 helpings. Serve cold. Now the players get a few minutes of rest, some coaching advice, and if they're lucky, maybe someone's mom brought some oranges.
Hi, and welcome back to the second period of action. Let's go down and see what's happening, Don. Dupuis had the puck. Slager gets called for a 2-line offside pass, and play is stopped. Dowd wins the draw. Blocked. Robitaille takes control of the puck. Dowd. Backhand.
If he was trying to miss the net, then that was a great shot.
Laxinen with the puck. Dowd scores.
Takes the rebound and turns the confusion into a celebration.
Detroit must not have planned on being scored against there.
Unless dropping behind was their game plan. Why would they do that? You know, deke them out, and then when they're not looking, wham!
Gaborik goes offside, and the play is stopped. Robitaille. Wrist shot. Fernandez denies him, and he hangs on to the puck. Kuba, now with it. Intercepted by Detroit. Slager, shot. Fernandez, stoned him.
And that save was all about the goaltender's confidence.
Fernandez freezes the puck. Fernandez hangs on for the whistle. Davey got the puck. Zoltak corrals it. Roost, he gets laid out. Uh-oh, we've got a little altercation on the go.
And I don't think this one's going to be settled through arbitration.
Oh, and he pays the piper there.
It looks more like he paid the puncher.
Minnesota penalty to number 44.
Gaborik steals the pass. Turned away.
He's just given his blocker a little bit of a workout.
Yzerman jumps on the loose puck.
A 5-minute major for fighting.
Hull. Turned over at the blue line. Walls. Kuba takes control of the puck. Brunette has it. Lidstrom shoves Dupuis.
That hit, all about wasted potential.
Yzerman. Brunette. Yzerman intercepts the pass. Breakaway. Great save!
I hear the UN wants to declare that net a no-puck zone.
Fedorov. That's icing. The face-off goes to the Wild. McCarty stops the shot. Krupp with the puck. Datsuk gets it. McCarty grabs it. Datsuk, he gets crushed. Gaborik. Walls, he's away! Shoots the puck, he scores! Upstairs!
Fires it up out of harm's way.
Ronning. He gets laid out.
I can't read minds, but I'm pretty sure his is saying, ouch.
Dupuis hits the post, stoned cold by Joseph. Dupuis jumps on the loose puck. Hull, he knocked him into the middle of next week. Hull gets crushed. Fedorov grabs the puck. Robitaille shot the puck. Fernandez hangs on for the whistle. Laxonen with the puck. Duchesne shoves him. Dowd scoops up the loose puck. He gets pushed. Puck, quick shot. Joseph closed the door. Fedorov. Long pass. Fernandez stones him. Park. Play is stopped while the glass is replaced. Looks like the fans got a bit of a shock there.
But the glass is back in and we're ready to go.
Gaborik.
Last minute of
Brunette. Joseph made the save.
See what comes from reading the play, Jim? He was one step ahead of the shooter.
Brunette grabbed the puck. Gaborik.
Ah, yes, between periods. My Pee-wee coach told me that's when I played my best hockey. Hi, and welcome back to the game we hold dear to our hearts. Hockey. Let's get on with it.
Ronning. Hull steals the puck. Shanahan. Saved by Fernandez.
Goalie 1, shooter 0.
Ronning. Sent flying.
He'll be okay.
Lidstrom. Shanahan takes possession of the puck. Lidstrom grabbed it. Fernandez stoned him cold. Lidstrom with the puck. Shanahan shot the puck. Fernandez closes the door.
He's kicking him aside with gusto, Jim.
Dupuis knocked him off the puck. Chelios. Hull grabbed it. Walls pushes Hull.
To be honest, I just didn't think that was his A material, you know?
Dupuis. Brunette shoots the puck. Joseph makes the save. Gaborik jumps on the loose puck. Kuba misses the net. Shoots the puck. Saved by Joseph.
He came, he saw, he saved.
Dandino had the puck. Detroit gets a hold of it. Dandino was offside. Laxonen. Delayed penalty coming up for Detroit. Laxonen, the door is shut by Joseph.
I'm pretty sure he could have made that save talking on a cell phone.
Chelios has been nailed for cross-checking.
Jim, do you think I should grow a goatee?
No.
What about a soul patch?
No.
Van Dyke?
No, besides, what does that have to do with the penalty? Minnesota now has a one-man edge.
Let's see if they can make some hay out of this situation.
Make some hay? Haven't heard that since I worked on the prairies.
Hey, where I come from, we want to make hay out of everything.
Iserman intercepts the pass. Shanahan got the puck. Chelios is back on the ice, meaning we're back to five-a-side hockey. Gaborik gets the puck. It's one-on-one. Minnesota dumps the puck in. Jumped on by Detroit. Fedorov. This goalie's been quietly working his way towards a shutout.
He's getting a lot of help from his team, though, Jim. He hasn't faced many shots.
Bombardier scoops up the loose puck. Zoltok. Zoltok put the puck between his skates.
And skates away.
Chelios took the puck. Chelios gets pushed. Bombardier grabs the puck. Mitchell takes it. Detroit jumps on it. Draper. Rogers now has it. Draper, hard shot. Fernandez denied him. Dowd jumps on the loose puck. Minnesota beats out the icing call. Grabbed by Joseph.
Attention shoppers, the net is now closed.
Benisic gets hold of the puck. Robitaille. Fedorov has it. Detroit picks it up. Dendino shoots. Fernandez hangs on for the whistle. Detroit is struggling with faceoffs.
And I'm struggling with this cherry-flavored cheese dog. It's awful.
It's cherry.
What's your point?
Laxonen has the puck. Checked. Whips a shot. Blocked. Shoots the puck. Shanahan. Iserman. Quick shot from the left. Off the post. Park. Brunette. Fires it. Joseph turns him away. Put it in the books. Detroit lose.
This team had a hard time generating any offense out there tonight, Jim. They were outshot, and it shows on the scoreboard.